Meaning of house to house.
House to house.
House to house.
House to house.
House to house. House to house refers to a method of operation in which every house or building in an area is visited or searched systematically. This method is often used in military operations, policing, and disaster response efforts. The purpose of a house-to-house search is to ensure that no one is left behind and to obtain information, supplies, or resources that may be necessary. It is a time-consuming and sometimes dangerous process, but it can also be effective in locating and helping those who are in need. Overall, house-to-house is a thorough approach that prioritizes thoroughness and safety.